Does he know the meaning? Onanuga know how to define? Does he know the meaning of treason? I, as a senior executive of a multinational, led protests on the streets of Lagos that was joined by many of those who work in this government. That was my democratic right. Even in the military regime, I exercised it. Who is by Onanuga to talk about treason? What does he know treason means? Let him come, let me teach him political science. I have degrees there. And I will explain to him what treason is. I'm going to give him enough leeway, because sometimes, you need to wake up from sleep. I'm going to give him enough room to wake up and realize his mistake and then speak truth to himself. If not, my lawyers in Nigeria, my lawyers in the US, look, people forget that I was one of those who fought very hard to bring about the International Criminal Court, ICC. Let's not deny it. When Abacha was in office, if I have to go on the rounds for another one, I will. But we need to bring sanity back to this country. Agents of the state can be sources of falsehood and hate speech. It's not acceptable. Nigeria can't fall that low. Oh, the reason that I'm pushing it, and I will take it to the International Criminal Court and other court, is that it's obviously, from what people are saying to me, a deliberate sowing of seed for trumped up charges of treason. And that's why my claim is 500 billion. I am of a certain global standing as an academic, and my prize, my premium, my value, people have a sense for it. And so when something endangers my life, the appropriate premium needs to be put on that thing that endangers my life, because it seems like the objective is to put my life in danger. That's what the objective seems to be. And nobody puts Utomi's life in danger and gets away with it. He will come back. Let me tell you something. Somebody called me from Adamawa, retired army officer, and said to me, I hear you've been arrested. I said, for what? I said, they said they've arrested you for planning protest. I said, me? No, nobody did that. I just arrived in the country an hour ago, and all the officials at the airport were greeting me. No such thing. I don't think so. He said, we heard you were arrested and we're getting ready to start rioting tomorrow, which is today. They were getting ready to start rioting, that they arrested Utomi. I said, oh, please don't riot. Nobody arrested me.
You see, I only have issues with the way we treat politics in Africa, in Nigeria, Africa in general. Yes, because it's not helping. This is not how they treat politics in the Western world, in the developed countries. And if you play politics like this, you will never get it right. You will never get it right. It will always be sentiment, being an opposition party, insulting one another, leaving the realities on ground. The issues, the reason of people having issues with your government, you leave those issues unaddressed, unattended to. You continue to blame others, continue to look for somebody to shift your responsibilities to. The more you're talking about another person, the more you leave your job and start looking for a fight when there is no fight. You're leaving your responsibility, because look at it now. Since this period now, when we started talking about Onanuga, tinubu protest is just around the corner. What have you seen these people have done differently, rather than the effort, the energy they're supposed to concentrate into government? We are now using it to debate on these issues. Onanuga said this. How did Tinubu plan to do this? Tinubu is running from one place to other to look for people to stop the protest, not to work for the countries. You see the difference now. So like this, we'll never get it right. You are only looking for a solution now to stop the protest, oncoming planned protest. You are not, at this period now, you fold and you relax. No other way around. The normal way you're supposed to do, because those things will be suspended, because you can't do everything at the same time. This one is a priority for this 1 month of August now. So by Onanuga, his position, at least now, this one joined his position. He started looking for another solution to defend himself in court, looking for documents, talking to people who he had not supposed to talk to while focusing on his job. Now he will be cracking his head, seeking for one help or the other, what to do, how to defend themselves, leaving the job, his own responsibility to serve the nation behind, because he is by Onanuga. He can talk anyhow. That's why somebody is asking him if he has ever been a spokesperson for all this conductor Agbero in motor park, because it is only somebody who has been in that position that can come and speak like this. He talk anyhow. You don't understand. So we'll never get it right. I'll continue to sit down till we change all this from the very beginning. We just go and reset our thinking, our thinking mentality, the way we play politics. We need to change it. We need to change it. It's not helping and it's not going to help. A country where the richest person in Africa, a country make him cry over what? because there is people in Kaba who do not want this country to prosper. Richest man in the country is crying, why do I have to invest in this country, in his own country? If a richer person can cry because of the way the country is dealing with him, how much me and you who are just looking for what to eat, not me anyway, people who are just looking for what to eat, they fed up. Just imagine the problem this has caused to Dangote now, in the name of we have government who is not serious, who is not responsible, or we have previous government who are not serious, who do not take the job of a president or as in seriously, the minister, nobody to question each other because all of them, they belong to one thing or the other. Think about it. Like this will never get it. If the country can make a Dangote, the richest person in Nigeria, cry, even Africa cry, how much more me and you? That means there's no hope for the country. So the way Dangote is crying for his business, they do not allow his business to function until after investing that billions of naira, billions of dollars. Yet it's the same thing the country is doing to you, the government is doing to you. Your little businesses the little businesses fold up. They folded up. Some other companies are leaving you unemployed. It's the same thing. So we need to go back from the very beginning and change our thinking mentality, the way we treat politics. We need to change it, reset all the buttons before we can start thinking of how to make this country great. Like this. I doubt. Anyways, it is well. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll be your guy. Run out for me now. You don't understand.